Is it the right time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we'll be taking an in-depth look at Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, January 4, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important to stay informed about any significant updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 3, 2023, our system has ranked Intel as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.64. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Intel has exceeded our expectations, showing a remarkable gain of 22.89% since we first recommended buying it 42 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 0.54% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The stock is currently in the middle of a strong rising trend. This suggests that the stock price is likely to continue rising in the near future. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a potential 42.23% change in the stock price over the next 3 months. This means that investors could see a return between 34.2% and 57.81%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 49.2% change in the stock price over the next year. This indicates a potential return between 13.6% and 62.65%. In other words, the stock price could range from $53.24 to $76.24 after a year. Our latest update on Intel brings a concerning headline: Red Day on Thursday for Intel. On the last day, which was Thursday, January 4, 2024, the Intel stock price experienced a decline of 0.383%, dropping from $47.05 to $46.87. This marks the 5th consecutive day of decline. Throughout the trading day, the stock price fluctuated by 4.24%, reaching a low of $45.24 and a high of $47.16. Although the price has fallen in 6 out of the last 10 days, it is still up by 0.45% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the volume of shares traded increased by 12 million on the last day, despite the falling prices. This could potentially be an early warning sign, indicating a slightly increased risk in the coming days. In total, approximately 47 million shares were bought and sold for a value of $2.22 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached for Intel stock was $51.28, while the lowest price was $24.73. Currently, the price is 8.59% or $4.41 below the 52-week high, and it is 32.36% or $22.42 below the all-time high on January 24, 2020, when the price reached $69.29. Analyst ratings. On Monday, December 18, 2023, it was reported that Needham upgraded their grade for Intel to neutral. On Friday, December 15, 2023, Deutsche Bank also upgraded their grade for Intel to neutral. Bank of America Securities joined in on Friday, December 15, 2023, upgrading their grade for Intel to neutral as well. KGI Securities, on Wednesday, December 6, 2023, gave Intel an outperform grade with an upgrade. Telsey Advisory had previously given Intel a buy grade with an upgrade on Thursday, November 16, 2023. Analysts have given Intel stock a buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as a strong buy. For return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. Here are the signals identified for Intel. The Intel stock currently has a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this indicates a general buy signal for the stock, providing a positive forecast. If the stock continues to gain, it will face resistance from the short-term moving average at around $49.09. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it will find support from the long-term average at approximately $45.04. A break above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a break below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence-divergence, MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near short-term development. A sell signal was identified from a pivot top point on Wednesday, December 27, 2023, resulting in a -7.66% decline so far. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is found. It's worth noting that volume increased during the recent price decline, indicating a potential warning sign that should be closely monitored. Let's explore some interesting signals you should know about. The moving average convergence-divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal 6 days ago. Bollinger Bands show a buy signal 6 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal 46 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 43 days ago. Now, let's analyze the 12-month chart. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal 19 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal 48 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 193 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals and insights. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. When it comes to support levels, Intel has found a strong one at $46.16. This level has seen a significant accumulation of trading volume, indicating potential buying opportunities. Whenever the support is tested, it often leads to an upwards reaction in the stock price. Now, let's discuss the level of risk associated with trading Intel. With its average daily movements and good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. On any given day, the stock has a tendency to move around $1.92 between its highest and lowest points, which accounts for 4.24% of its value. Looking at the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.7%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Intel, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio suggests that the company is either experiencing losses or has negative earnings. It's not uncommon for established companies to face challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to the latest news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for January 25, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.430. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's dive into some potential day trading levels for Intel. If Intel stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $47.80. If you're not already invested, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before considering a position. However, if you're already holding Intel stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the flip side, if Intel encounters a downward movement, it will face its first support level at $46.16. Should this support level hold, it could present a great entry point for traders, as a rebound may be anticipated. The combined average rating for Intel from multiple analyst sources is buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On December 29, 2023, Yuri Frank D. conducted an insider buy of 141,791 shares of Phantom stock units. On December 29, 2023, Smith Gregory D. conducted an insider buy of 62,189 shares of Phantom stock units. On December 29, 2023, Goldsmith Andrea Joe conducted an insider buy of 522,388 shares of phantom stock units. On December 22, 2023, Gelsinger Patrick P. conducted an insider buy of 13,063 shares of common stock. On December 22, 2023, Gelsinger Patrick P. conducted an insider sell of 6,477 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -8.444. Overall, insiders have purchased 337,967 shares and sold 403,532 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $44.61, which represents a decrease of 4.82% from the current price. This stock tends to have moderate daily movements, indicating a moderate level of risk. A sell signal was identified from a pivot top that occurred 5 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? While Intel holds several positive signals, we believe they may not be enough to consider it a buy candidate. At the current level, it is more suitable to hold or accumulate this position and wait for further development. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. On Friday, January 5th, we anticipate Intel to open with a decrease of $0.447, starting at $46.42. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a risk of financial loss. Always consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. StockInvest.us is a valuable resource, but it shouldn't be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view of the stock with you. We value your opinion, so please comment below and let us know if you agree or disagree. We're also curious to hear your target for the stock. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. We're here to support your trading success and wish you a beautiful day. With regards from all of us at Stock Invest.